Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
My name is Mrs. Shina Peters.
Oh,
I'm his wife.
alright. So, what do you what can you say about Shina Peters?
He's a good father, a good husband, a loving and caring husband too. Always there. During trying time, during fun time, he's always there. And I love him to bits.
So, what do you like about Shina Peters? What exactly do you like about him?
Everything. Everything. You know, he's a musician. Some musicians, when they get carried away, but not him. We've been together since I was 21. Now I'm 58. That's 30-something years ago.
Okay. Alright, so of all his tracks, which one do you love the most? All his songs? All. Okay, can you just sing one for us, man? Just anyone at all.
I'll sing my track. Ọ̀rẹ́ ìyàwó ṣánbí ṣòrí mẹ́ja ni. Irọ́ ló ń pa bójú bá pòfìrí ìwọ náà fẹ́ jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ o. Èyí tó ṣọkọ rẹ̀ tó jáwọ́ o.
Alright, man. Thank you very much, man. Okay, man. Is there anything, any amazing thing about Shina Peters that people don't really know about him that you want to disclose?
Well, he's very caring and very loving, and he's a faithful. Like when it comes to standing behind you or in support of you during trying period, he's always there. He's always there. Even when I come to this world again, I want to marry him.
Wow, that's beautiful. All right, so what are your wishes for him on his 60th birthday?
I wish him the best. I wish that God grants him all his heart's desires in the mighty name of Jesus. And as he live long in good health and in wealth.
All right, thank you very much, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.